Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Begin by designing a 12-week calendar with daily 2-hour study blocks and weekly review sessions to build momentum. Set realistic goals for each week and use a planner or app to block study times. Set a balanced allocation: 40% time to core theory, 40% to practice questions, and 20% to revision, adjusting percentages by subject difficulty. Schedule at least one full mock exam every 2 weeks and track timing to improve speed and endurance. Review week topics each Sunday and update the plan. Focus first on accounting, banking law, and macroeconomics as primary pillars because these sections carry the most weight on banking exams. Read one chapter, then summarize it into one page and highlight formulas or ratios. Create flashcards for key terms for quick review. Solve 50 practice questions daily with focused review of each mistake to convert weak topics into strengths. Use spaced repetition for facts and revisit summaries every 7th day. Prioritize clarity over volume and aim for consistent, measured progress. Take full mock exams under timed conditions, replicating real test rules, seating, and allowed materials to build confidence. After each mock, review errors in a dedicated log and re-attempt similar questions within 48 hours to ensure learning durability. Practice mental prep: breathing exercises, sleep routines, and a 90-minute pre-exam checklist including snacks, ID, and stationery. Analyze time spent per section and shave off seconds where possible. Gradually taper study intensity in the final week while...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.